Hey guys, today we'll be doing the part 2 of the Seran washing machine full of the Seran S95622 S5622 HISENCE 5211. H522 Hisense 122. Seran, a little bit destroyed, but after 3 attempts, this will go again. As you can see, this will go again, but as you can see, the washing machine is going to span out the drum. So we are going to throw it in one more time, and throw in like one more time. And that's going again. Well, did it really push? Well, did it done this to my furniture? Did it done this to the furniture? Sarah, I think it did. There you go. Nick pushed this off. It's almost pushed. Gosh, this could have broke. Oh, stuck now. I can't lift it myself. This could have broke, but yep. This Seran completely ruined the side there. And then let's get on to more destruction. See, 3, 2, 1. Smooth. It's a long-lasting washing machine. Oh, it moves. Confidence gone. Okay. Well, I don't think that's gonna go again now. Oh my god. Wow. No. Well, yeah, hopefully it'll go again. Lost the back. Lost the back of the washing machine. It just fell onto its side. Picked up the best this was. Even made it working. That was actually Diet Coke. It was actually broke during Diet Coke can explosion. Broke the well, that's gone. Seran. It broke the door. It clamped the back, dented the back. Don't think this belt can go again. That's we wouldn't go. That's half of it gone. Lost some of the belt, but not now. Lost half the belt, but the other half is still on. It's still on. lost one part of the belt, and dead. And it's the washing machine still works, but noticed the spring has fallen off it. And the spring has fallen off the washing machine. Not joking. Like, is this washing machine working? Yes, no, but we're going to try it one more time and see what's going to happen. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, you can get this in white. You get in the white version. Like, oh, get it in the mirror version. It's funny to look at yourself in the look at yourself at the washing machine. That'd be so funny. Even you're watching the washing machine on spin while you're looking at yourself. It's all over the door, all over the front, all over the... Some of it on the top is gone now, so... Lost the top. Snapped the top in half, it did, so... Still going. Still working. Still fine, but... Seran will have to... Why up to 1400 at max speed? See what happens. Aww. Oh my god. Still got more there. That's it for this washing machine. Belt's gone. Belt's broken. That's it for this washing machine. Broken belt now, so shattered top. That was almost an instant, that top. There you go. Oh. Destroyed the whole. But I think that was just in case the washing machine has. Take out the brick now. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. See you later. I might have to scrap this off motor. It's a little bit bye bye. So we're going to take it to the garage for some afterwards. Bye bye.